When it comes to equipping your kitchen with versatile, high-quality cookware, this Slottet Tri-Ply Whole-Clad stainless steel saucepan with steamer 2.5 cute is a standout option. This small yet powerful saucepan is designed to enhance your cooking experience while providing durability, efficiency, and convenience. From its advanced construction to its multifunctional features, this saucepan is more than just a pot. It's an essential kitchen tool that delivers exceptional performance. Why choose the Slottet Tri-Ply saucepan? Number 1. High-quality tri-ply construction. This saucepan features a tri-ply whole-clad stainless steel design that ensures even heat distribution and long-lasting durability. Layer 1, made from 1810 food-grade stainless steel, ensuring your food stays safe and healthy. This layer is resistant to corrosion and maintains its luster even after years of use. Layer 2, a core of aluminum, providing quick and even heating so you won't have to deal with hot spots while cooking. Layer 3, an exterior of 430 stainless steel, making the saucepan compatible with all cooktops, including induction. Number 2, energy-efficient heating. The high-efficiency heating system saves both time and energy. The aluminum core ensures heat is distributed evenly across the entire pot, meaning your food cooks faster without compromising on flavor or quality. Number 3. Versatile design for multiple functions. The Slottet saucepan isn't just a cooking pot, it's a multitasking wonder. Glass lid with strainer holes. Strain pasta, vegetables, or rice directly without needing a separate strainer. Pour spouts, convenient for draining liquids, pouring sauces, or serving soups without spills. Steamer basket. Steam fresh vegetables like broccoli, asparagus, or corn with ease, making it perfect for healthy cooking enthusiasts. Number 4. Ergonomic and stay cool handle. The long ergonomic handle ensures a secure grip and stays cool even when the pot is on the stove. The silicone accents add extra comfort, making it easier to handle during extended cooking sessions. Number 5. Oven and dishwasher safe. This saucepan is designed for maximum convenience. Oven safe, can withstand temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit without the lid and 350 degrees Fahrenheit with the lid. Dishwasher safe. Cleaning up is a breeze, giving you more time to enjoy your meals. What sets this saucepan apart? All-in-one functionality. Whether you're boiling, steaming, or simmering, the Slottet saucepan handles it all with ease. Measurement marks. The easy-to-read measurement marks inside the pot make it simple to measure ingredients accurately. Compact size. The 2.5 quart capacity is perfect for small households, meal prepping, or side dishes. Real-life scenarios. How the Slottet saucepan simplifies cooking. Number 1. Streamlined pasta nights. No need for multiple tools. Boil your pasta in the pot, use the strainer lid to drain the water, and pour the sauce directly with the spout. It's a one-pot solution that saves time and reduces mess. Number 2. Healthy meal prep. Steam your favorite vegetables using the included steamer basket. Add a pinch of seasoning and pair them with your main course for a nutritious meal that's ready in minutes. Number 3. Sauces and soups made easy. Whip up gravies, soups, or reductions with precision. The even heat distribution ensures perfect consistency every time. Why you'll keep coming back to the Slottet saucepan? Durability you can trust. Built to last for years without warping or losing its shine. Versatility for any recipe. From steaming veggies to making delicate sauces, it's a multi-use tool. Saves time and energy. Even heat distribution ensures faster cooking. Effortless cleanup, dishwasher safe, and easy to maintain. Stylish design, looks great in any kitchen while delivering professional-grade performance. Who is this saucepan for? Whether you're a beginner cook or a seasoned chef, the Slottet Tri-Ply Whole-Clad stainless steel saucepan is a valuable addition to any kitchen. It's especially ideal for home cooks who value efficiency and durability, small households or individuals who prefer compact cookware, healthy eaters who love steaming vegetables or cooking with minimal oil. Final verdict. This Slottet Tri-Ply Whole-Clad stainless steel saucepan with steamer isn't just a kitchen tool. It's a cooking companion that makes your culinary adventures more enjoyable, efficient, and professional. Its thoughtful design, high-quality materials, and versatility make it a must-have for any home cook. Ready to elevate your cooking game? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make the Slottet saucepan yours today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.